Hello, hope you're doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to set up Mighty Networks and also how to create a course on Mighty Network. I'll be leaving a link in the description that you can use to sign up. And talking about signing up, they offer a free trial period, and if after watching this tutorial you like to go onto their paid plan, it starts off at $99 per month and goes up to $360 per month. But I would recommend that you use the free trial period, and then if it is to your liking, you can then go onto their paid plan. So you're going to tap on that link, then you'll be redirected to a page like this. And from here you could enter in your first and last name, or you could choose to sign up using Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Apple. So let's say for example we were to select Google. After you have selected the option that you would like to use to sign up, you will be redirected to a page just like this. And on this page you can basically type in what your course or your membership will be about. So for example, let's say my course will be about cat lovers, so I'll type in cat lovers right there, then tap on enter. After you have done that, the Mighty Network AI will come up with a quick description for your community. So you can see they provide 3 different options. If you don't like any of the options, you could tap on customize, or you could try again. So let's say for example we were to select this one. I'll tap on that's it. Then from here you can pick a name for your community. So you can see some different options right there, and I'm just going to call it this one, Whisker Wonderland. After you have done that, you will be redirected to this page, and you can see a preview of how your website will look on Mighty Network. So you can see how it would look on different platforms. Then you will tap on, you can scroll down and tap on OMG yes at the bottom of the page. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to your dashboard. Once on the dashboard, you can simply tap on reject or accept cookies at the bottom of the page. Then there are a few things that I want you to pay attention to. You have most of the features on the left hand column, as you can see right here. And to get started with creating a course is quite straightforward. You can either tap on course from the left hand menu option. Then after you have tapped on course, you will be redirected to this page. You can tap on no thanks. Then you can start outlining your course by tapping on create. What I would recommend you do is use the Mighty Network AI feature. So we're going to tap on get started right here. And with this, you can simply type in, for example's sake, you can type in what you want your course to be about. So let's say, for example, I am creating a course for cat lovers. So let's say I want to create a course on how to take care of cats. So I'll do that right there, how to take care of cats. Let me type that in real quick. Then you'll tap on suggest outline, and you'll just give it a few seconds, and their AI will create a course outline that you can use. So you're going to see it pop up in just a few seconds. So you can see right here, it has provided an outline that we can follow. All you'll need to do now, you can simply tap on the pencil. Then after doing that, you can add content. So for example, the first one will be choosing the right cat food. Then from there, you can tap on start writing your lesson, and you can share your expertise right there. And if it is a case that you would like to add an element, you can tap on the plus. From here, you can choose to add photos, videos, or you can add embed link. You can also add orders, or you can see right there, you have different options. And by scrolling down, you can select the lesson settings. So you can tap on manage lesson settings. And then from there, you can choose how your course is set up or the different lessons. So for example's sake, would you like persons to only get access to the other features, or better yet, the other page of the course once they have completed one? You can do that, so you can select that right there. Or you can select each lesson is timed, or you can select each lesson is scheduled. So you can select whichever one of these options suits you. You can also scroll down and you can see the different features that you can customize, whether you like to enable or disable comments. You can also change the thumbnail image. You could choose your own by tapping on custom. You can also choose whether you like to allow a preview or not, and you can then turn on it right here to make it visible. Then you'll tap on notify, you could make it visible right there, and then you'll tap on the X, and you can continue doing that and following the same outline right here. Another thing you can also do with the Mighty Network platform is by going over to the left hand menu option, you could tap on members. After tapping on members, you'll be redirected to this page, and this is basically the members section. And if we were to tap on feed, when it comes onto Mighty Network, their feed reminds me of YouTube community. So basically you'll be able to post polls and other things that only members will be able to see. To create that, all you will need to do after selecting feed from the left hand menu option, you can tap right here on the camera icon and you could record something, you could choose to go live if you want, or so on. You can also see different polls that they suggest right there that you can quickly edit. So for example, if we were to tap on the settings cog, after tapping on the settings cog, you could change the field name, and you also have different options that you can quickly edit, as you can see right there. So you can create polls or whatever you would want right there. And if we were to go over to the left hand menu option once more, from here you could tap on events, and this is where you'll be able to schedule and you'll be able to keep events. And again, you can simply tap on the camera icon, and then from there you'll be able to go live, as you can see right there. So you'll be able to go live with your members. You can also create a space by tapping on create a space in the bottom left hand corner, and then from there you'll go over to the right hand menu option and you can create your own space, as you can see there. And if you'd like access to all of the features once you're on their paid plan, you could go over to the top right hand corner, tap on get started, and once you have tapped on get started, you'll basically see a layout of all the features, as you can see here. So you can tap on each one of the sections and you could set them up to your liking. So for example, you could tap on customize your space and collections, then you'll be able to customize your community. You can also tap on customize your branding, and then from there you'll be able to add your logo and so on. You can also tap on create a course and you could create a course, but I already have shown you how to do that. You can also create your first poll and questions to add to your feed by tapping on customize your poll and questions right there. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.